Say you need to do a box and whisker plot and show the distribution of your points within your whisker plot to portray those outlying pieces of data, and you are demanded to show each individual point because these plots can be more descriptive when you have a certain set number of observations. Rather than just having a plain box and whisker plot, adding these points on the plot can allow the individual viewing your plots to understand why or where outlying data is and if it makes sense to include it. So today we are going to make this box plot with a dot plot overlaying. You will need ggplot2. Set the theme to BW so there's still a grid. And we're going to bin it in the data set G. So we're going to use the pre-existing data MPG. We're going to do manufacturer as our X and city mileage as our Y. And we're going to do a box plot as we mentioned first. So geom box plot. And why aren't we saying ggplot? Well, we've already put our first amount of ggplot in here, so we know anything appended here to G is going to be put within ggplot. So geom box plot plus geom dot plot. So the box plot has no variables to it because we've already set these variables here. So it's going to be just a plain box plot. The dot plot is where we need to be a bit more specific. We're going to bin axis based on Y. On the Y variables, we're going to stack direction based on center. So we're going to center our binned data on our Y variable. So it's going to be centered per observation. Dot size 0.5. Customize this based on your needs. Fill color, we're choosing red today. Our theme axis text is going to be at an angle of 65% and a vertical adjustment of 0.6. That's our x-axis, so that's going to be the manufacturer. Our labels are going to say box plot plus dot plot. This is all customizable based on your needs. Subtitle, caption, X and Y. So we've start from the top. ggplot, theme BW, and you have your manufacturer at a 65-degree angle. You have your box plot per manufactured vehicle. You have your city mileage here, and your dots are centered because we said stack direction center on the Y bins. So why do we say bin axis? Because each of these specific rows and box plots are binned variables based on your X value, which is called upon here, manufacturer. So this is how you can make a more descriptive box plot by overlaying a dot plot.